This video discusses events by site reports in Device Tracker. An event is a transition from one device state to another in Device Tracker. For example, when a device changes state from to be found to found, or when a device reaches low battery state. To access these reports, log in as an administrator to the web portal. Click Reports, and then click Events by Site. Administrators can view and export reports of device events based on date or date range. All the events being tracked are provided in the table headers. These events are based on the device finding process, to be found, found, being found, or cannot find, device charging state, disconnected state, and low battery state. Anytime a device reaches any of these states, the count is incremented. A single device can encounter multiple events throughout a day. Data is collected after the complete passing of the previous day. Click on the link to display device details. Most of these fields are self-explanatory. The device name is displayed if a device-friendly name is assigned. A username is displayed if checkout is enabled and a user is checked out from the device. AP location displays the AP-friendly name if assigned. If not, it displays the AP MAC address. Whether the device is connected or disconnected to the server is listed under the connection column. The battery percentage, whether or not the device is charging, and lastly, the site the device is located in. This data can be exported in CSV format by clicking on the Export button. Additionally, the data can be sorted in ascending or descending order by clicking on the appropriate heading. There are two exceptions in which the device details are not immediately displayed from clicking the link. They are the to be found and found states. When clicking on the links for either of these, information is provided with a breakdown on the actions that triggered the events based on automatic, which means it was triggered from the automation rules defined in the automation settings, shown here. Or manually, from a user changing states on the device, for example, during the finding process. Additionally, the duration time in which the device is in that particular state is tracked as total time across all devices, or the average time is calculated based on the total devices that encounter this event. Device details are seen when you click on the respective View Events link. This provides the same data as I described earlier from the other device status. And this data can also be exported in CSV format by clicking on the Export button. For the found or to be found states, you can toggle between each state by clicking on the drop-down selection here. To export data that includes the duration time, shown here, both the average time or the total time in either the to be found or found states, go back to the Events by Site page and click on Export Data. This exports all the data you see here in CSV format and includes columns for the total and average time duration. To filter data by site, in the Site dropdown, select the desired site to filter.